Assalamualaikum. Today our video class is on EVS lesson 6 healthy food. Now I'll give you some examples of food items. Suppose think what all the things you have ate yesterday. Some says bread, butter, some says bread and jam, some eats chapati, vegetables, milk, egg, fruits, then chicken, fish, mutton, etc. Suppose these are the things that you have eaten yesterday, you think. Some said bread and butter, some says bread and jam, some says many chapati or vegetable, chapati and vegetable curry, milk, egg, fruits, chicken, fish, mutton. These are the food items. Now, bread and butter I'll take. Bread and butter. From where do we get bread? We get bread is made from wheat. It is made from wheat. Wheat we get from plants. So you can say that bread is a plant product. Butter we get from animals. You can say if it is made from milk we get from animal. It is an animal product. Jams are made from fruits. Fruits we get from plants. Chapati is made from wheat. Again it is a plant products. Bread is a plant product, jam is a plant product, chapati is a plant, vegetables, plants, milk and egg. Milk and egg we get from animals. Milk we get from cow, buffalo, and egg from hen. Fruits we get from animals, plants. Yeah, plants. Chicken, fish, mutton, these are again animals. So, what are the food items we are eating in our daily life? It is not only the plants product or not only the animal. We are eating both the plant products and animal products in our daily routine food. We need food. Especially why do we need food? We need food to live. We need food to grow, to get energy, to be healthy. We need food to live and grow. We must eat the right amount of different kinds of food to remain healthy. In order to remain healthy, in a good health, we have to eat different kinds of food, and that too in the right amount you have to eat. So let us learn about the different groups of food in today's chapter. Food can be divided into three parts. Food are divided into three parts. What are those three parts we are going to study? Food can be divided into three. We should eat from each food group in the right amount to stay healthy. So when we are dividing the food into three groups, so you have to eat the food from this group and this group in the right amount in order to stay healthy. What are those three kinds of food? We have to take it in a right amount to stay healthy. First one is energy giving food. Energy giving food. Food that gives us energy. Body building food. And the next one is protective food. These are the 1, 2, 3. Three kinds of food we have to eat in a right amount in order to stay healthy. First, coming to energy giving food. Food items like rice, wheat, this comes under energy giving food. Sugar, honey, rice, wheat, sugar, honey, butter, oil. So these are some of the examples of energy giving food. If you eat rice, wheat, sugar, honey, butter, oil, these kind of food, it gives you what? This kind of food gives you energy. These are the energy giving food. These food items are called energy giving food. They gives us energy to work, energy to play. That is the reason we call these food items. These food items, we call them as energy giving food. They give us energy to work, they give us energy to play. These are the energy giving food. Now coming to bodybuilding food. What are the bodybuilding food? Egg, milk, meat, fish, chicken, etc. Now these foods, these are the bodybuilding food. Milk, egg, fish, even pulses to come here. Pulses kuch nahi hai, dal. Different kinds of dals. Pulses, peas, this comes under bodybuilding. So food items like milk, fish, meat, egg, pulses, chicken, etc. help us to grow. This is helping us to, this gives us energy. This gives us energy to work and play. These foods help us to grow. To make our bones and muscle strong. That is why it is called as body building food. These food help us to build our body. It help us to grow, to make our bones and muscles. Make our bones and muscles strong. Bodybuilding food help us to make our bones and muscle strong. When our bones and muscles are strong, then only our body will be growing. It help us to grow when our bones and muscles are strong. That is why it is these items, they are called as bodybuilding food. You have to, in order to live, we need energy. To get energy, we have to eat these kind of food. That gives us energy to work and play. Now, in order to grow our body, we have to eat these kind of food. These food help us in building our body, in making our bones and muscles strong, in making these bones and muscles strong. And the next one is protective food. Food items like different kinds of fruits and vegetables. We have to eat different kinds of fruits and vegetables. It protects your body from falling sick, or you can say protect from diseases. It protects from diseases, it protects from falling sick. So food items like especially fruits and vegetables protects us from falling sick. That is why they are called as protective food. We have to eat fruits and vegetables so that we can protect our body from getting different kind of diseases, from falling sick. If you are not going to eat fruit and vegetables, you will become, so you can see some children who they will be falling sick always. Oftenly they will be falling sick. That is because they will not take proper fruits and vegetables. So in order to keep ourselves healthy, what we have to do to protect from diseases, to protect from falling sick, we have to take protective food, that is fruits and vegetables. So these are the three kinds of food items we have to eat in the right amount, not in the excess amount. All the three you have to eat in the right amount in order to get energy, in order to grow, in order to protect from diseases. Besides that, the main important thing is water. Besides these food items which we have studied, we need water. We have to drink plenty of water. Besides this, what is the main thing we have to do? We have to drink plenty of water. This is also the main important thing beside these three: energy giving, body building and protective food. Beside food, our body also need water. We should drink plenty of water to stay healthy. Not only this food item, but also water is very important. We have to drink plenty of water in order to stay healthy. So this is about the food items which we are most probably daily, most of them will be eating: energy giving, body building, protective. Some of the other items daily you will be having among these three groups. Hope you all have understood the lesson, children. Thank you.